All right, happy Tech Tip Tuesday. Eric with the Loop. Don't forget to subscribe. This one's going to be a quick one. I'm going fast, so pay attention. Okay, today we're going to talk about the difference between a connected home and an integrated home. Connected, integrated, integrated, connected, connected, integrated. What's the difference? Quite often those words will be used interchangeably as if they mean the same thing. And when we're talking in our industry about systems integration, fundamentally different. Okay, connected home. A connected home is one where you download the Roku app and you control your Roku TV. You download the DirecTV app and you change channels. You download the Black & Decker lock app and you lock and unlock your door and you look and go, oh wow, cool. You download the Chamberlain app and you open and close your garage door and you go, wow, that's cool. You download your alarm system app. You download your Yamaha app. You download your Sony app. You download your Integra app. You see where this is going? Okay, we're getting more and more of these apps. You start downloading all these different platforms. And then what you do is when you leave your house, you open up your app for your alarm system and you arm your alarm system. Then you open up your Chamberlain app for your garage door and you close your garage door. Then you open up your Black & Decker app and you lock your doors. Okay, that is a connected home, right? All of these different devices, all these different systems are all connected through a mobile device. Okay, incredibly powerful, so much fun, right? We get to sit on our couch and go, click, wow, our door just locked. Okay, super cool. In our experience, not a lot of value, because what is it actually getting you? If you're having to do that effort, then that means it's not saving you time, and you are definitely not living in a smart home. A smart home is not one that you need to do things to. Okay, so let's look at integrated. Okay, integrated home. An integrated home, as you walk out the door, you hit the away button. When you hit the away button, it arms your alarm system. Then 5 minutes later, it looks throughout the home to make sure that everything is safe. It looks to make sure that all the doors are locked. It looks to make sure that all the garage doors are closed. And if not, it activates those activities. And let's say that there's something obstructing. One of your kids left their bike in the way of the garage door. Garage door comes down to auto close and it hits the bike. Okay? An integrated home, right? This integrated home will then send you a text message and say, hey, you left, you armed your alarm system, but unfortunately, there was an obstruction, the door had to open back up. That's an integrated home, okay? An integrated home is one where you have a keypad in your bedroom on the wall, and as you walk by it, it has a red light. That red light tells you that your home is not safe, meaning that something is open. A garage door, a lock, a sliding glass door. Something in your home is not secure. More than a security system, because a security system will just tell you if your doors are closed. When we're looking at integrated, we're taking your security system, we're tying it into your locks, we're tying it into your LiftMaster garage doors, we're tying it into your Yale or Black & Decker or Baldwin locks. So now that little red light is telling you, is my home really secure? Okay? Now I'm able to hit that button. And when I hit that button, the system automatically secures the home. And if not, the light starts blinking red to tell me that something isn't going on that is preventing my home from being safe. Okay? Integrated home. When I hit that away button, all of my technology in my home shuts off as I desire. My blinds automatically close, so I don't have to go through and close them all to prevent UV fading on my furniture. Okay? Integrated home. In this integrated platform, these things happen for you. So now instead of spending 5 to 7 minutes every night walking through your house to put your home to sleep, you simply are hitting the bedtime button, and that is all happening for you, saving you 30 to 45 minutes of your life every single week. Okay? Big difference. Connected, is it cool? Yes. Does it save you time? No, in fact, it usually even takes longer. Integrated home simplifies your life, gives you 30 to 45 minutes of your life back every single week. Okay? Not only incredible peace of mind about the status of your home. Okay? That's your tech tip for today. Happy Tuesday. Eric with The Loop. Have a great day.